Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decor Center. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage farmhouse inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage farmhouse inspired home decor is a cozy, nostalgic interior style that blends old-fashioned rural charm with practical farmhouse simplicity. It feels warm, lived-in, and timeless, like a beautiful country home from decades ago. It is inspired by traditional American farmhouses and influenced by classic design movements such as Shapetic and rustic country living. Key features of vintage farmhouse decor use a soft muted color palette like cream, ivory, beige, soft gray, and chase green, dusty blue, and faded pastel tones. These colors create a calm, airy feeling. Uses distressed and weathered furniture, whitewashed wooden tables, antique cabinets, vintage dressers with chipped paint, and rustic wooden benches. Furniture often looks aged and slightly imperfect. That is part of the charm. Use natural materials like solid wood, wicker and rattan, linen and cotton fabrics, galvanized metal accents. These materials add warmth and authenticity. Vintage decorative elements uses old clocks, mason jars, enamel pictures, antique mirrors, rustic wall sign. Pieces often look collected over time, not newly bought. Cozy textiles like layered throws, floral or plaid cushions, lace curtains, quilts. Soft fabrics makes the space feel welcoming and comfortable. How it feels? Vintage farmhouse decor feels warm and homey, relaxed and inviting, slightly romantic, simple but elegant. It is not modern and shiny, instead it celebrates age, history and comfort. The origins of vintage farmhouse style. Vintage farmhouse decor evolved from early rural American homes, where furniture was handmade, practical, and passed down through generations. Core design philosophy. Vintage farmhouse is about comfort over perfection. Scratches on paint and aged finishes are welcomed. Imperfection equals character. Collected, not decorated. It should look like items were gathered over time, not bought all at once. Warmth and storytelling. Each page feels like it has history. Furniture style details. Wood types: oak, pine, or reclaimed wood. Finishes: whitewashed, distressed, chalk painted, hand sanded aged. Use carved legs, curved details, and glass front cabinets. Enhance the vintage feeling. Textures that make it special. Vintage farmhouse relies heavily on layering textures like rough wood, soft cotton, lace, wicker baskets, metal accents, aged ceramics. The secret is mixing rough plus soft together. Signature decorative elements use antique wall clocks, iron candle holders, botanical prints, enamel kitchenware, wooden crates, farmhouse sign. Lace symmetry, more charm. Room by room ideas. First, living room. Use slip covered sofas, layered rugs, vintage coffee table, wooden ladder with blankets. For kitchen, use open wooden shelves, cluster for storage, apron front sink, rustic cutting boards. Next, bedroom. Use iron bed frame, floral bedding. Also, bedside lamps with linen shades and window dresser with mirror. Lighting matters. Lighting should be warm. Use yellow tone, soft and slightly dim. Good options: lantern style pendants, messenger lights, iron candelabras. What makes it different from English cottage, Venus farmhouse? More rustic, more wood focused, simpler patterns. English cottage, more floral, more layered fabrics, more decorative trim. Since you also love English country style, combining both can create a beautiful hybrid look. The emotional atmosphere. Venus farmhouse is not just a look, it creates a feeling safe and comforting, rooted in tradition, calm and solo-packed, family-centered. It often reflects simpler rural living, inspired by traditional American farmhouses and country homes in places like United States. Architectural elements that enhance the style if possible. Add structural details like shiplap walls, horizontal wooden panels, painted white or cream. Use exposed wooden beams, adds authenticity and rustic charm. Barn doors, sliding wooden doors with black metal hardware, apron front farmhouse sink, deep white sink, very classic farmhouse feature. How to layer a vintage farmhouse room. Professionals designers usually layer in 5 steps. Step number 1: neutral base. Walls in soft white or warm beige. Step 2: anchor furniture. Use a large wooden table, windows cabinet, and a stretched sofa. Step number 3: use texture layer like rugs, linen curtains, and oven baskets. Step number 4: vintage accessories. Uses old books, antique frames, and ceramic pictures. Step number 5: organic touch. Fresh flowers, jade lavender, olive branches. This layering prevents the space from looking empty or flat. Wood tones and finishing techniques. Different wood tones change the mood. Light oak for airy and soft, dark walnut, rich and traditional, reclaimed wood, authentic and rustic. Finishing methods: chalk paint, like matte finish, dry brushing, sanded aged for own effect. Lighting physiology in Venus farmhouse. Lighting should create warmth and shadow. Best choices: Edison bulb pendants, lantern style candelabras, table lamp with linen shades, wall sconces in aged brush or iron. Avoid cool white LED, ultra modern chrome lighting. Fabrics and pattern rules. Keep patterns soft and subtle. Small florals, thin stripes, plaid, gingham. Avoid bold geometric patterns. High contrast modern shades. Pictures matters more than loud design. Mixing vintage farmhouse with other styles. You can blend it with modern farmhouse for cleaner look, cottagecore, more romantic florals, industrial touches, black metal accents, French country with more curves and elegance. For example, adding French influence inspired by countryside homes in France can make the space feel softer and more elegant. Common mistakes to avoid: over-distressing furniture, using too many sign or white art, mixing too many odd tones, making it cluttered instead of cozy, using bright modern colors. Windows farmhouse should feel collected, not chaotic. makes it timeless. Natural materials never go out of style. Neutral colors ace beautifully. Comfort always demands relevance. It feels personal and meaningful. The lifestyle behind the style. Winter's farmhouse is not just decoration, it reflects a way of living. Solo mornings, home cooked meals, family gatherings around a big wooden table, handmade and meaningful objects. It celebrates the seriousness, simplicity, and comfort rather than trends. The collected over time principle, on measure rule, nothing should look like it was bought in on shopping trip. A real winter's farmhouse space includes antique finds, thrifted pieces, DIY projects, heirloom style accessories. The charm comes from mixing eras, maybe a 1940s cabinet with a modern linen sofa. Advanced color layering strategy. Instead of flat neutrals, designers use layered tones, base layer, warm white, and soft cream oils. Mid layer, oud tones plus muted greens or dusty blues. Accent layer, aged brass, black iron, or soft blush tones. Everything should feel slightly faded, never overly bright. Wood is the heart of the style. Wood is not just furniture, it is everywhere. Use ceiling beams, open shelving, dining tables, frames, decorative bowls. Reclaimed wood is especially popular because it adds authenticity. The importance of imperfection. Venus farmhouse loves visible wood grain, slightly tipped paint on handles, handcrafted items. Perfection feels modern, imperfection feels rustic and firm. Signature Venus farmhouse details. These small details define the space. Use iron curtain jars, ceramic pictures, mason jars, wicker baskets, farm-style clocks, wooden cutting boards displaced on counters. Details makes the difference between simple farmhouse and vintage farmhouse. Seasonal styling in vintage farmhouse. This style changes beautifully with seasons. Spring. Use fresh flowers plus soft, light linen. For summer, use cotton fabrics and greenery. For autumn, use pumpkins plus firm throws. For winter, layered blankets plus candlelight. The base stays neutral. Accessories change seasonally. Furniture shape and form. Unlike modern furniture, like straight lines, vintage farmhouse often includes curved table legs, rounded chair backs, closed cabinet drawers, open hatches, farmhouse benches. Shapes should feel traditional, not sharp or fantastic. Why people love this style? Vintage farmhouse creates emotional safety, nostalgia, warmth, connection. It reminds people of grandmother's homes or countryside living. Balance rule very important. Too little decor looks plain. Too much decor looks cluttered. The secret is layer, step back, remove on item. Editing your space is part of styling. The historical foundation. Vintage farmhouse style is rooted in early rural homes, especially in regions of the United States, where homes are built for function, durability, practical living. Furniture was handmade, repaired, and reused, not replaced. Over time, that practicality blended with romantic vintage influence, similar to elements found in Shebetek. The three core pillars of vintage farmhouse. First, rustic structure like raw wood, beams, brick, and sheepland. Next, vintage romance uses soft fabrics, floral touches, and antique frames. Functional simplicity uses open shelves, storage baskets, and farmhouse table. If one pillar is missing, the room feels incomplete. The focal point rule. Every painter's farmhouse room needs a strong focal point. First, living room is large straight coffee table. Next, dining room is solid wood farmhouse table. Next, bedroom used iron or curved oak bed frame. Next, kitchen apron front sink or open wood shelving. Build everything else around that bit. What makes it different from modern farmhouse? Modern farmhouse, more black and white contrast, cleaner lines, less decorative detail. Vintage farmhouse, softer colors, more curves, more romantic and nostalgic. It feels older and more emotional. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.